Hi, this is Abid Hassan. So today I will show you how you can install the WordPress site inside any VPS server. So uh, for this video, we will use the RackNerd VPS server. So this is the RackNerd website, and you can go to the racknerd.com. I will put the link in the description, so you will just can go and check it out. So from here, you can just go to their VPS and KVM VPS. So they have their list here. So you can see the list. From here, you can just uh, check your preferred size or the preferred CPU, and then you can just order now button. And from here, uh, you can just label your server name, and you can choose your operating system from here. So we can just use the Ubuntu 24.04. That's the very stable version, and then you can choose the location as well. And so everything you can just set and just go continue and just purchase the VPS server from here. So that's the VPS server. So after purchasing the VPS server, you will get the username, and then the password for your root username and the password into your email. And so we will need that to connect our this server with the xCloud. So what is xCloud? So here is the xCloud.host. So this is the place where you can manage the any VPS server with this. And if you can go to their pricing section, you can also see that they have the managed server as well. Also the self-managed server. So we will need this, the self-managed server, because we have the RackNerd server, right? So then we will manage that RackNerd server with this. So here you can see that free plan. So they have the free plan, and with the free plan you can manage that one server, and you can install the 10 sites like the WordPress site. Or actually not only there, in the xCloud you can not only the WordPress, you can just kind of your PHP site, or the Laravel. They have the so many things as well. So we will install the WordPress site. So basically the total 10 sites you can actually install with the free version. And also they have the pro version. They have a lot of features you can check from there, but in this video we'll use the free version. So that's it. So after that we will just get started, and some flow for the registration. And we after the registration we will get this panel in the xCloud. So here is the xCloud panel. So from here we can just see that we can create a server. So we'll just click the create a server from here. And here we actually can see there are a lot of provider. They have the very one click integration from here, and like that. So we will choose the any from here, because the RackNerd list is not here, so we'll choose any. So here it is. So we'll need to give the server name first. Okay, so first of all I will give the Mario server, and we'll need to just our IP. So after the purchase from the RackNerd you will get the IP. So my IP is 107 1. So that's my IP, and this is the SSH port, so root. Okay, and uh, we will install the NGX server inside it. Okay, so you can choose the open light speed or anything you need that, and choose the plan, just the free plan. For this I will select the lifetime give the giveaway, because I got the giveaway from them. And SSH authentication, we will click the password, because it's a very easy process. You will get the RackNerd SSH password inside the email. So we will just paste that password from the email. So that's it. So we can just create. Oh, sorry. I need to select that. So we just need to, after that, we need to create. So this is the verifying, and they just start installing the stack. I mean, the NGX stack inside my RackNerd server. Okay, so all the steps have been done by xCloud. So basically my full server is ready to roll. So after that, so I can see that from here I can install the WordPress site, install a new WordPress website from here. And we have also the custom PHP, Laravel, Node.js that I mentioned before that we can like set up everything from here on our server. So I will set up the WordPress website. So I will just click the install new WordPress website and it will ask me the site title. So I will give the title the ultimate cyclist. So I will click. I can go to the go live, so I can connect to my live domain. Or if I want, I can start with the demo site. So it will basically the domain like this ultimate. So or you can just choose like this. But after that dot wp1 dot or something like that, it will be go. But I will. So if since I have the purchase domain as well, so I can just go live. So my domain is like ultimate cyclist.com. Okay, so this is my domain, so I have purchased that. So uh, I have this domain in my Cloudflare. So I will just click on that. So before that I actually um, setting my Cloudflare from the setting from there. So I can just uh, connect the Cloudflare from integration Cloudflare. So I have connected my Cloudflare from here. So after that, I'll just get the option like after that add the DNS, it will automatically add the DNS record all the things on Cloudflare. So that's it. So I'll have some also so many options. I don't need the blueprint. So I need full caching. Okay, so I'll click next. So it will actually start installing the WordPress inside my server and it will just ready everything for me. So that's the start. They started the process. So let's see. So it almost done. Okay. So my website is ready to roll. So I can see all the things from here. I can monitor everything from the xCloud. So what's going on my server. And if I like just visit site, I can just check my site. The site is ready. You can see the domain is live, the ultimatecyclist.com. So this is the WordPress website, my full ready complete site with the xCloud inside my RackNerd server. So that's it. And if I can just go to the quick tour in the xCloud, what they have. So I have the backup. I can monitor the performance and everything. Um, I can I can configure my WP config from directly from here. I can update my plugins, themes from here from the xCloud. Everything I can. I have the full control. And if I can also the magic login inside my WordPress very easily from here. So I can just go to the admin account inside my WordPress. So everything from here. So also the email configuration, the SFTP, the file manager is also here. Also I can access the database from here. So everything I can configure. So something like that. So this is fully easy. Also they have the very good caching mechanism as well. So you can just enable the page cache and your site will be more faster. So that's very easy and that's it. So you can just like this. So you can just buy VPS and connect your server with the xCloud and just install anything in your server. So you just don't need to configure like manually inside your server or terminal something like that. You can just manage everything from the xCloud very easily, and that's it. So I hope that really helps everyone, so that anyone can easily configure the VPS server from the xCloud. That's it. Bye.